Is your Windows 11 PC running slow, throwing low disk space warnings, or refusing to install updates? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to free up disk space on Windows 11 using built-in tools that actually work. No third-party junk required. And I'll also show you what to do if you accidentally delete something important along the way. So let's get into it. The quickest place to start is StorageSense, Windows 11's built-in cleanup tool. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage. Right at the top, you'll see a visual breakdown of what's eating up all your space. Apps, temporary files, and the likes. Click the temporary files and you'll see a list of items that Windows is deeming safe to delete. Recycle bin contents, delivery optimization files, thumbnails, and more. Check the ones that you want gone, then hit Remove Files. Back on the storage page, scroll down and toggle on StorageSense. Click it to configure how often it runs, daily, weekly, or monthly, and set it to automatically empty your recycle bin after 30 days. This one setting alone keeps your drive clean on autopilot. If you're also on Windows 10, this same path works there too. So this tip covers how to free up disk space on both Windows 11 and on Windows 10. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and click the Sort drop-down and choose Sort by Size. You'll immediately see which apps are taking up the most room. For anything you don't use anymore, click on the three-dot menu and select Uninstall. While you're here, also check your Downloads folder and Desktop for any large files you might have forgotten about. And you can move anything that's really worth keeping to an external hard drive to reclaim space fast. For a deeper clean, search Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select your C drive, then click Clean Up System Files. This unlocks extra categories like Windows Update Cleanup, which can free up several gigabytes just on its own. Check everything that you want to remove and click OK. Now, what if you went a little too aggressive and you deleted something you actually needed? Maybe you've cleared the recycle bin too fast, or you've removed something from an external hard drive by mistake. Well, that's where Wondershare Recoverit comes in, and there's a link in the description right now. Recoverit handles data recovery from hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, and external drives, covering 10,000 data loss scenarios with a 99.5% recovery rate. If your drive isn't showing up, it handles that too. It's a simple three-step process. Just select the drive location, let it scan, you can preview the files if you want, and then recover whatever you want to keep. Everything runs locally on your machine, nothing gets uploaded anywhere. Download a free version from the link in the description below. It lets you recover up to 500 megabytes at no cost so that you can verify all your files are there before you commit. So to recap, use StorageSense for automatic maintenance, sort and uninstall bloated apps, and run disk cleanup for deeper passes on your system files, and if anything goes sideways, Recoverit has your back. Grab it from the description. If this has helped you, please do drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.